The interface developed for this system presents the user with several options. You may browse through the available narratives or specifically search for one. You are also able to switch between viewing the most popular characters or most popular narratives based on collected data from registered users. Unregistered users are still able to browse, however the ability to add to their favorites is unavailable. You may browse narratives by dragging the slider or using the arrows. To select a narrative, you simply click the cover or title of your choice to begin your exploration. Once you have selected your narrative, you are presented with a brief synopsis as well as a description breaking down each of the character groups. Upon clicking a group, a list of character names appear. When you hover over a name, the key events that they are involved in during the course of the narrative becomes highlighted. If the character is also included in another group, the group will also become highlighted. Clicking a character's name will make them the selected character that you have chosen to explore the narrative with. You are able to become better acquainted with your character by browsing this in-depth analysis section. By clicking a highlighted word or phrase, a new window appears featuring additional information to provide context. By dragging the slider, you are able to browse other sections. Alternatively, clicking a specific section will automatically take you to it. Upon clicking Events, you are now exploring the key events that your selected character was involved in. Clicking a key event provides you with a summary as well as the other characters that were involved in the same event. Next to each character name are the specifics of the other key events that both the selected character and the character in question were involved in. Selecting the name will act as a filter and expose those key events. In the relationships, you are able to see how your selected character's connections change over the duration of the narrative. Proximity to your character determines how close the characters were in their relationship. By dragging the slider, the affected relationships shift and move with time. As other characters are introduced or become deceased, this is all reflected and mapped to the timeline of the narrative. Filtering allows you to compare relationships and gain a visual understanding. Hovering over a character will present you with a short character summary, as well as the options to view an in-depth profile, see the relationship to the character, and to select this character to explore the narrative with. By selecting relationship to character, you then see all the key events that both characters were involved in. Selecting a key event will jump you to that point in the timeline, providing you with a summary and the status of their relationship. The key events that change location are indicated with an orange marker. Clicking a marker will reveal a short summary of the event. At any point during your exploration, you may add your selected character to your favorites.